impression.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Daniel in Dublin. Today unboxing. We will do unboxing of my new camera for my new travel vlog. Gopro Fusion. It's this type of camera recording your 360 degrees. That means it's a camera with two lenses, one on the front, one on the back. That means when we're recording, you can watch me this after, and you can just move from the screen and you see panoramic view 360 degrees. It's absolutely stunning. I watched few travel videos, and I really love it, and I decided to have for myself as well. Yeah, I'm so excited. I want to see what's there. Let's start. Okay, box, nice box like GoPro. What we have here inside, we can expect camera, battery, stick, box, one small screw. I don't know what's that, I don't know what's this, and cable. I don't know what's this as well. Probably I don't know. We will see when we open. Also, it's all information about the grip working as a tripod, and also we have on other side information about this camera. That means it's 360 degrees. It's something what I don't really. It's camera and photo, all the parameters. After we have you don't need gimbal for this camera anymore, because you don't need extra support. It's like extra stabilization already there. Like that means it's no more shake. It's waterproof until 5 meters. It show you the GPS position. Sounds, it's 360 as well. And it's controller by voice, what I actually don't like, because GoPro 7 it's horrible with that. You say GoPro start, GoPro stop, and it's not, they're really not starting, not stopping if you have an accent. No, it's not. I prefer remote controller. And also it's over capture is the special program to make it make the perfect videos. Okay, now we can open. It's heavy because it's box, and probably it's some small cover for the camera, but this box is very heavy. Okay, how much I pay I don't remember, because I bought lots of stuff, but I think it's around 550 or 600 euro. For the moment in Ireland, I don't know any other places, because I just bought in a camera shop. For sure you can buy online or from the GoPro site, whatever. Maybe you can find something much cheaper, but I won't buy real one, original, with the guarantee and everything. Why I decide and I choose the camera shop. Okay, let's start, let's do this. We can open the box now.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN.
I show you already what was in the box, because I don't want to record like 2 times. First impression, I love idea to have this GoPro in small box. It's so smart, because You don't need to care about the cover. You can actually put everything together and you can cover the front and you know nothing's happened. I really like it. This is quite heavy, but for sure it's some reason, and you know this is very strong GoPro. 2 GoPros in one will be even less than 2 GoPros. This one is super strong sticks, you know, for your camera. One for sure will be on the top of my iPod tripod because I have a big tripod, and one is the regular one. It's for my GoPro. I will add another one for this one. That means we have a 2. Cable, I don't know, probably for charging, but I don't know yet. I need to check. And I have a battery, and I have a screw to put the GoPro, and the stick look like tripod as well. What it's super smart. I love it. I really love it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. The quality of the GoPro stuff, it's absolutely stunning. Okay, what's next? Yeah, that's it here. Perfect. I really like this one. I really like, because for the regular GoPro I'm using just the back from GoPro as well on the top to have it clean, but this is super cool. And of course we have some instruction, GoPro care and stuff like that, how to set up, how to on. This is something what I supposed to read because I'm never reading, but I supposed to. I will check this today. And what I miss here, I miss memory card, but I have a good few memory card at home. It's not the point to get another one, and I will add this later. But love it, looks beautiful, looks perfect, like all GoPro.
First impression.
Okay, ready. Also you can take out this part here and have it just GoPro. I'm just it's very funny for me because I touching this GoPro all the time, all over, and I'm scared my lens will be dirty very fast, but I really like it. Looks really cool. It's very big. Okay, it's not big when you have a Canon or Olympus or something like that. Of course they are much bigger, but when you're working with the GoPro of this size, this is quite big. Okay, Fusion, I love it. Okay, oh, it's no screen here. Okay, we will see. Okay, big on. What's going on? Okay. Okay, we have a small Fusion, so cute. Oh, we have languages. Okay, but okay, how to? I think I still need or maybe I don't need. Okay, now I know how to use. First we need to use the language. You have a language. Yes. Here you are. Okay. Turn on GPS. Yes. GPS, turn it on. Turn on voice control. I'm not sure. Okay, I do yes just in case. Okay, and this is the words English, US, UK, Espanol, French, German, Italian, Chinese, and low battery. sorry guys, but low battery. Can I just still Japanese, Russian, Portuguese, Korean, US, UK? We do UK because I can choose Australian. It's no island there. We do I do UK. Set UK, okay. Voice control turnet on. Connect to GoPro app. Okay, I need to yeah, but I have a on my second phone. No. Okay, I need to put card, SD cards. I need 2 cards here. Okay, that means I do set up at home because for the moment I can't do anything with this because I need to first on this to the how I can switch off that. Switch off GoPro, switch off GoPro off. Okay, it's reaction for GoPro off, and GoPro on probably will be no, because you need to press the button. Okay, I will come back to you with this gadget when I fully charge it first, and I need to put SD card and I need to connect with my app from GoPro because it's not on this phone, it's on my I have a one iPad only for GoPro where it's all my stuff there. I love it, it's heavy, but just the difference between grips, this is super light, this is not. This is meter long, the same structure, the same idea, just this is super light. But I love it, can't wait to do some trip and start using this GoPro, but first I need to add a card and do full charge battery for this. Okay. Sorry guys, thank you for watching my unboxing for GoPro Fusion today. If this video was helpful, just leave me thumbs up or leave the comment if you have any question. If I will know the answer, for sure I will answer for you. Thank you very much.